Hello, kindergarten. Today is H Day for our ABC countdown, so it is Hat Day. Have fun wearing all your hats today. We're still in the month of April, so we're going to start today's calendar with our April song. Go ahead and sing along with me. Sing a song for April, A-P-R-I-L. April is the 4th month and spring is here as well. Days are getting warmer, the flowers start to sprout. A-P-R-I-L, that's what April's all about. Awesome. So look, if we come down here, we had a few days off. We had our Saturday and Sunday. So today is this day right here. What number is underneath of our balloon? 26. 27. Very good. Now if we circle the day 27, we know we are going to go straight up in our calendar to figure out the day of the week. I kind of scribbled on it, so let me try and circle that again. The day of the week. Here we go. Now, if I am looking at just this day, what is the day of the week today? Monday. Very good. It's Monday, and the month is April. All right. So we said today is Monday. We need to come over here and look for the day Monday. Here it is. Now, if today is Monday, what was yesterday? Yesterday is the day before. The day before is Sunday. Very good. If today is Monday, tomorrow is the day after. Tuesday. Very good. All right, let's read it together. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Awesome. All right, so we already said today is Monday. So let's look for our Monday up here. Here is Monday. And this is where we put the month. The month is April. And see how I put April on the line, how that P is a digging letter. It goes below the line. It would look goofy if I put it on the line like this, because all of the other letters would be floating letters. Just want to make sure that P is a digging letter. And this is where we write the number date today. So it is the 27th. So we put a 2 and then a 7. 27. Awesome. Now the yellow part is the year. We know that it's 2020. Very good. Okay, repeat after me. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. April 27th. April 27th. 2020. 2020. That's the date. That's the date. Awesome. All right, how many days have we been learning at home? I need to come and grab one of my ones to put in my tens frame. Now, once I do that, I should know right away how many are there, because the whole thing, if the whole thing was filled up, we would have 10, but we're only missing one. So since we're only missing one, we know that there are 9. And if I come over to my tens place, there are only 2, so I'm going to write 2. All right, now if we look at the big number, we put our 2 and our 9 together. What does a 2 and a 9 put together mean? What's that number? 29. 29. All right, now we need to erase one of our days because now we only have 18 days left of kindergarten. That is not that many days, is it? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? All right, if you look out of your window, what is the weather today? The weather is sunny today. If I look out of my window and I don't see any clouds out there, it's just sunny. So I'm going to find the word sunny. I know it starts with an S. Is it this one right here? No. What word is that? Snowy. This word right here, sunny. That's the word we are looking for. Now let's graph our April weather. We get to add another sunny day. All the way up. There we go, all the way up. Now with that sunny day, we can see that sunny has the most. It has 5, and the closest ones are partly cloudy and cloudy with 4, but they are not the most right now. Sunny days are the most. Sunny days are Mrs. Roy's favorite weather. All right, let's see what the temperature is outside in Oakwood, Ohio. In Oakwood, it is 54. So we can come back and write 54. Five, and then a 4 for 54. Now, is it 54 cups of coffee outside? No, 54, we have to label it. 54 degrees. That's not too bad today. Hopefully we get to go outside. All right, what are the words? I have 3 new words here today. Some of you might already know them, but some of you might learn some new words today. All 3 of the words underneath of our boxes are going to be words in our sentences in the next slide. So pay close attention. Underneath of our blue box is the word would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. Underneath the green box is the word have. H-A-V-E. Have. Now, underneath of our purple box is the word one, as in the number 1. O-N-E. One. That one's a little bit tricky because it should sound like the W sound, but it has an O in the beginning instead. One is this word right here. This is what we call a sight word. You kind of just need to look at it and know what it is. That word is one. All right, let's go ahead and read through our sentences. The first sentence begins with I. I got some mail a few days ago. All right, if you look at that sentence, is there anything we need to fix in it? I don't believe so. It starts with a capital letter I. Got some mail a few days ago, and it already has our punctuation, has a period at the end. All right, let's go to the next sentence. Lucy and I loved. Oh, that's a pretty long word. So if you look right here, this word at the beginning is read. Then we add the ing. Reading. Reading. Letters. Letters. From you all. A-L-L, A-L-L, all. All right, so let's read it from the top. Lucy and I loved reading letters from you all. Okay, let's fix this sentence. If we come up to the very beginning of our sentence, we already have a capital letter there, so we don't need to fix that capital L. But if you look right here, some of you probably noticed we can't have a lowercase I when it's all by itself. It needs to be capital. Lucy and I loved reading letters from you all. Okay, we need a punctuation at the end. Let's add a period. All right, let's go to the next sentence. Did you write a letter to me? All right, we need to fix this sentence. Come up to the very beginning. Do we need to fix that first letter? We sure do. That's a lowercase d. We need a capital D because it starts our sentence. Did you write a letter to me? We need punctuation on the end. Does anybody know what punctuation we need? Right, a question mark. I'm asking a question. Did you write a letter to me? Let's go to the next sentence. We, that's one of our words that we learned. W-O-U-L-D, would. We would love to get one from you. We would love to get one from you. All right, let's go to the very beginning. Look at that W. Uh-oh. We can tell it's lowercase w because it's the same height as our E. We need to make sure it's a capital W. We would love to get one from you. And you know what? I think we need punctuation at the end. And the punctuation I would like to add is an exclamation point because I would love to get a letter from you. If you received a letter, an Easter card from me, then inside your Easter card was another envelope for you to write a letter to me. If you need my address again, I would love to give it to you so that you're able to write a letter. Let's look at Lucy opening up some of your letters. Look at that. She was excited to read. She loves to get mail. So she has some envelopes there of your letters. All right, let's go ahead and go to our number talks now. Today is Monday, so today is Make It Monday. You are going to look at the number 6 and think of ways that we can make 6. I would like for you to at least think of 3 different ways that you can get to the number 6. So what I mean by that is in my head right now, I am thinking of 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. That is one way to get to 6. Can you think of 3 other ways to make 6? I think you can. Good luck and have an awesome day today.